Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you 3-in-1 Titles Social Media Lower Thirds Pack for Adobe After Effects. You can download, link in description. Now I'm extract here this file. Open this folder. Extract here also these files. Okay, now you can see 60 social media lower thirds folder, 85 social media lower thirds folder and neon social media lower thirds folder. There have 3 pack. Now I'm showing you one by one. First open this folder. You just simple double click to open this template. After open this template, now click lower thirds, then next edit comms, then control and text. There have many project, you can see, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Skype, Behance, Dribbble, Printors, Snapchat and Vimeo. Just click any project and see preview, you can see. They have a logo folder, so I'm open this comp and change the logo, you can use text also. Just double-click in this text composition, for change the text color, now you can see controls layer, just click and you can see. All control, I think you understood. Okay, now I'm open this next folder, 85 social media lower thirds. You just simple double-click to open this template. Now click this edit comp. Then next control and text, you can see that have 5 folder, I'm showing you one by one, there have lots of file. You can also export HD and 4K. Okay. Now I'm open one comp. Now I'm showing you how to change logo. Change text color and how to resize box. Okay, now I'm open this next folder, neon social media lower thirds. You just simple double-click to open this template. In this neon template, there are 5 different styles of social media lower thirds. Now I'm showing you how to use this, just double-click any lower thirds. Now you can see controls layer, just click and you can see. All control, I am changing the color of these, I have changed the color of the vision. You can change. See, I'm changing. If there is a problem, of course, let us know in the comments. we will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.